And this is the middle of the snowstorm. There's about 3 or 4 inches on the ground right now at night. I'm over by the Catholic Medical Center. Snow is coming down at a pretty good clip right now. Roads are pretty well cleared off, but it's pretty windy. And this is just down the road from Catholic Medical Center on McGregor, one of the old mill buildings. Used to be Carroll Cable, but this looked like a pretty good shot. I figured I'd stop over here. The snow's coming down pretty good. The wind is really whipping up here. That's Bremer Street Hill over there. That's always a challenge to get up in a snowstorm. But the roads are plowed pretty well. Not too many people at the gym tonight. Pretty empty parking lot. This is Granite and Commercial Street down by Channel 9. Snow removal operations going on. Snow's coming down pretty good. Some snow removal operations going on down there at the market basket. Up here, and the snow's piling up quick. That's looking on Elm Street North. That's looking south over there. Looking down towards the ballpark, SNHU. This is a new residence inn. Hanover Street. I like this shot here, looking towards Elm. Some of our favorite spots to eat and see shows are right here on Hanover Street. It looks pretty nice in the snowstorm. And there's the Red Arrow Diner on Lowell. Let's see if they're open. They're 24/7. Looks like they're open. Old Faithful Red Arrow. They've been there forever and a day. That's looking in the other direction. Webster Street, looking east. Snow's coming down at a really good clip, and it's windy. It's piling up. Looking west on Webster to Elm. DW Highway at Puritan. State Motors straight ahead. Not much traffic out tonight, very quiet because it's coming down pretty good out here. DW looking north and looking south. This is SNHU, Southern New Hampshire University, the original hard copy campus in North Manchester. I believe they are now the biggest, if not one of the biggest, online campuses in the whole country. But here you can see the snow coming down. And this is the Congregational Church on Elm Street. It's moving around. We're at the height of the storm here. It's really picked up in intensity since I started doing this video, and the snow is really accumulating quite a bit since I first started. Right in the middle of downtown. Snow is adding up really quick.